In this video, I'll be going over how to divide integers. When you're dividing integers, if both numbers are positive, we know that it would be a positive integer as an answer. But if we have one negative integer, it means that our quotient will be negative. And if you have two negatives, then the quotient will definitely be positive, as negative divided by negative becomes positive. So below are 4 examples, and we'll go over each one of them. For the first example, we have 36 divided by negative 6. And since we have one negative, we know the quotient will be negative. So what is 36 divided by 6? So we know the answer is 6. Now since it has a negative integer, we know the quotient will be negative. So therefore the answer is negative 6. For the second example, we have negative 48 divided by 8. And since the dividend is negative, that means that one negative will result in negative quotient. So we can place a negative first, then 48 divided by 8. The answer is 6. So the answer is negative 6. For the third example, 60 divided by negative 6. So we have a negative here, so we know the outcome will be negative. 60 divided by 6 is 10. And so the answer is negative 10. For the last example, we have negative 24 divided by negative 3. And this one has two negatives. And so the outcome will be a positive quotient. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. And since we have two negatives, we know this is going to be positive, so it will be 8. So these are 4 examples of how you would divide integers. One negative will result in negative quotient, where two negatives will result in positive quotient. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.